is it cheaper to keep the wood when having a tree removed? So there's a couple ways to look at that. It depends on obviously the location of the tree. It depends on how big the wood is and what we're trying to accomplish. Are we just literally leaving it the length that it comes down off the tree in the removal, or are we cutting it up into 16-inch size blocks for like firewood to be split later? So typically for us at Liscombe Tree Service, when we didn't have the equipment to process as quickly and get the jobs completed and just cleaned up as soon as it's coming down, we would typically, yes, it would be cheaper to leave the wood, but the way that we process material now and how efficient we are with equipment, it is actually, it costs more for us to leave the wood because we have more time cutting it up than just getting it out and getting it processed and out of the property. So if it depends on the size of the company, it depends on the location, the size of the job, and a lot of other factors, but typically it could be cheaper, but it depends on the size of the company.